So this is functions 3 and 4 for Ben and Josh, and we're working with Colton and Kyle. So we are the senders and Colton and Kyle are the receivers. So using a photoresistor, we're going to be shining light on it to represent outdoor sunlight. Kyle and Colton will be receiving this data, and their LEDs will be lighting up accordingly. So for function 3, the LEDs will blink twice to indicate that the data was received. And then for function 4, after those blinks, the proper amount of LEDs will light up to indicate how much time was spent outside. So for the sake of this example, we've set up A to represent between 0 and 4 seconds, B to represent between 5 and 8 seconds, C to represent between 9 and 12 seconds, and D to represent between 13 and 16 seconds. So based on however much time was quote-unquote spent outside, the amount of LEDs will light up, where 1 is the first and so on. So when Josh shines the light, and I run the serial monitor, so this was for 5 seconds, and you can see the 2 LEDs shine, and we're going to do that again so you can see the double blinks, and you can see that it resets. So we're going to do it for 10 seconds. So there's the double blink, and there's the 3 LEDs representing that it was 10 seconds. And on our serial monitor, we can see how much time is outside, and on the receiving end, they can see which value was sent, either A, B, C, or D. So something unique about the code, too, is that after every time the person returns indoors, the code resets, so that way they can restart and we can measure every individual time the person goes outside and then comes back inside.